Okay, once again, this is Sir Richmond, and on this tutorial, I just want us to solve some questions on logarithm. Okay, some of the questions are tedious, and then you want to try some of the questions, and then we tackle some of the past questions and see how the questions are asked, and then how students are expected to tackle such questions. Okay, so I have some questions here that I want to solve. The questions are given that log 5 to the base 10 is equal to 0.699 and log 2 to the base 10 is given as 0.301. Okay, and the question is saying that we should evaluate, log 50 to the base 10 minus log 40 to the base 10. Okay, so let's try our solution here. And what that you need to do here is that because they are subtracting, you see this log 50 to the base 10, and then there's a minus here, minus sign here. So we can say that my log 50 over 40 like this, it is same as the expression here. Okay, it is same thing there, because if I expand this one, I'll get the same thing here. So we do it this way so that we can simplify this log. We can see that 0 cancel this 0, and then it will be left with log 10 here and I have 5 over 4 like this. Okay, so what can we do next? The question they provided log 5 to the base 10 is equal to 0.699, and then log 2 to the base 10 is given as 0.301. But here we have 5 and 4 here. So all that we can do is that let's try and then break this one down again, because whenever you are dealing with logarithm and there's a division here, the law says that subtract. So you are going to get log 5 to the base 10 minus log 4 to the base 10. Okay, and one thing we should know here is that log 5 to the base 10, we know its answer already because 0.699. So I can confidently say that I have 0.699 minus something that I don't know, minus log to the base 10 here. But this 4, we can break it down and it will be 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, and then the log 2 to the base 10, we can also get it here because log 2 to the base 10 is provided. So the law of logarithm states that when I have 3 numbers like this, the third one or the last one falls back. So everything is going to tend to this, and I have something like this. Okay, 0.699 minus 2 log 2 to the base 10 like this. Perfect. So what is the value for log 2 to the base 10? And it's 0.301. So I can say that I have 0.699 minus 2 multiplying 0.301 like this. Okay, so let's try and then simplify this one. 2 times this one will give me, because 2 times 1 will give me 2, this will give me 0, this will give me 6. So I'll have 0.699 minus 0.60 and then 2. Okay, by performing this operation, our answer would be 0.097 like this. Okay, so let's move on to the next question and see how we can tackle it. The next question is log a to the base 10. So let's tackle this. be just log a to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10. One thing that you should know, that whenever the number and the base are the same, the result is 1. Okay, so log 10 to the base 10, because they all have the same, the base and the number here are the same, is equal to 1. Okay, so but we can do something to the 8 here. We can write it this way: log 2 3 and then 10 here plus 1, because this one is simplified to 1. Okay, so how do we do here next? What you need to do is that the 3 here, because will fall back here according to the law of logarithm. So I will have my 3 here, and then log 2 to the base 10 plus 1, like this. Okay, so what is the value of log 2 to the base 10? Is here 0.301. So we compute everything here, and we are getting 3 multiplying 0.301 plus 1 here. Okay, so that's what we're going to get. And then 3 multiplied by 0.301 will get us 0.903. So we now have 0.903 plus 1, and it will give us 1.903. So basically, this is how these questions can be solved. All right.